Daventry, a charming town nestled in the heart of Northamptonshire, England, is a place where history, culture, and community converge. With roots that trace back to Saxon times, Daventry offers a fascinating blend of the old and the new, making it a delightful destination for both residents and visitors alike. Walking through the streets of Daventry, one can't help but feel enveloped by its rich history. The town's name itself is believed to derive from the Old English Daffa's tree, a reference to a prominent tree where the local Saxon chieftain Daffa held meetings. This historical significance is woven into the very fabric of the town, evident in landmarks like the iconic Holy Cross Church. This impressive structure, dating back to the 18th century, dominates the skyline with its elegant spire and beautifully preserved architecture, serving as a reminder of Daventry's enduring heritage. Yet, Daventry is not a town stuck in the past. It has seamlessly integrated modern amenities and developments, ensuring a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere. The Daventry Country Park, for instance, is a testament to the town's commitment to preserving natural beauty while providing a recreational haven for its inhabitants. This sprawling park, complete with a serene reservoir, walking trails, and picnic areas, is a favourite spot for families, nature enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The town centre is a bustling hub of activity, where contemporary shops and cafés sit comfortably alongside historic buildings. The local market, held every Tuesday and Friday, is a particularly lively affair. Here, vendors sell everything from fresh produce to artisanal crafts, creating a vibrant tapestry of colours, sounds, and smells. This market not only supports local businesses, but also fosters a sense of community that is palpable among the townspeople. Daventry's cultural scene is equally compelling. The Daventry Museum offers a captivating glimpse into the town's past, with exhibits that range from archaeological finds to more recent historical events. The museum is housed in the ancient Moot Hall, itself a piece of history, and provides an educational yet engaging experience for visitors of all ages. For those interested in the arts, the town's thriving arts community does not disappoint. The Daventry Arts Centre regularly hosts exhibitions, workshops, and performances, showcasing the talents of local artists and performers. These events are often a highlight for residents and visitors, fostering a deep appreciation for the arts within the community. One of the most intriguing aspects of Daventry is its connection to the wider world through the BBC World Service. In the mid-20th century, Daventry was home to a powerful radio transmitter that broadcast the BBC's programmes around the globe. This piece of history is commemorated by a plaque in the town and remains a point of pride for the residents, symbolising Daventry's impact on international communication. Education is another cornerstone of Daventry's appeal. The town boasts several well-regarded schools, ensuring that young residents receive a quality education. This focus on learning extends to adult education as well, with numerous courses and workshops available for those looking to expand their skills and knowledge. In terms of transport, Daventry is well connected, making it an ideal base for exploring the wider region. The nearby M1 motorway provides easy access to major cities like London and Birmingham, while the town's proximity to the Grand Union Canal adds a unique charm and offers leisurely boat trips through the picturesque countryside. Perhaps what truly sets Daventry apart is its sense of community. The town's residents are known for their friendliness and hospitality, creating a welcoming environment for newcomers and visitors. Numerous community events, from the annual Daventry Flower and Vegetable Show to the Christmas lights switch on, bring people together and reinforce the strong community spirit that defines the town. Daventry is a town that beautifully balances its historical heritage with modern living. Its scenic landscapes, rich cultural offerings, and strong community make it a truly unique place. Whether you're interested in history, nature, the arts, or simply looking for a friendly community to be a part of, Daventry has something to offer. It's a town that leaves a lasting impression, inviting you to discover its many charms and become a part of its ongoing story.